Please like the video, subscribe, and enjoy.
Cryptocurrency introduction. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency used to make purchases online. It's also known as virtual money, digital currency, or cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a medium of exchange, which uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they do not have a central repository or single administrator. Instead, these currencies rely on distributed ledgers for their security and validity. Cryptocurrencies are produced by mining through a process called mining. Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that uses cryptography to secure the transactions and to control the creation of new units. The most famous cryptocurrency is Bitcoin, which was invented by an unknown programmer under the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009 and released as open source software 3 years later. Cryptocurrencies use decentralized control as opposed to centralized electronic money and central banking systems. The decentralized control of each cryptocurrency works through a blockchain, which is a public transaction database where all confirmed transactions are included as blocks. Cryptocurrency is a virtual digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new currency units. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency. It's used to make online transactions and is decentralized, meaning it doesn't have a central repository or single administrator. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units of a particular cryptocurrency. Cryptography is the practice and study of techniques for secure communication in the presence of third parties such as governments. Cryptocurrencies typically feature decentralized control and a public ledger with records of all transactions that take place within the network, usually using some form of blockchain technology. The blockchain is a distributed database that maintains a continuously growing list of data records. Each block contains a timestamp and a link to the previous block. A blockchain is typically managed by a peer-to-peer network, which adheres to a protocol for validating new blocks. Once recorded, the data in any given block cannot be altered retroactively without alteration of all subsequent blocks, which requires consensus of the network majority. The first cryptocurrency to be created was Bitcoin in 2009. Since then, numerous cryptocurrencies have been created, but the most popular ones are: Bitcoin is the world's first decentralized digital currency, and it was created in 2009 by a pseudonymous developer named Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum is an open-source, public, blockchain-based distributed computing platform featuring smart contract functionality. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they do not have a central repository or single administrator. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they do not have a central repository or single administrator. Instead, any transaction made is stored on a block in the blockchain. Cryptocurrencies are not issued by a central bank or government, but are instead backed by code. The currency supply is generated through mining, the process of confirming transactions and adding them to the public ledger in exchange for rewards in the form of new coins. The amount of cryptocurrency in circulation can be viewed by anyone at any time, as it is a matter of public record on the blockchain. The price of cryptocurrencies is determined by market forces and can fluctuate wildly within a single day or even a few hours. Most cryptocurrencies are not backed by physical goods, but rather by digital tokens or coins. Cryptocurrency is not backed by physical goods, but rather by digital tokens or coins. One of the most popular cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, has been around since 2009 and has become widely used as a payment method worldwide, with more than 2 million merchants accepting it as payment in 2017. The value of Bitcoin fluctuates rapidly over time. The current price is approximately $6,500 per coin. Why does its value change so often? While there are some who buy and sell them as an investment opportunity, many people see cryptocurrency as having much greater potential than simply being traded on exchange markets. Cryptocurrencies can be used for many things: buying goods online, paying bills, making donations, purchasing services, even playing video games. Bitcoin is the original cryptocurrency and still the most popular. It was created in 2009 by a person or group of people who went by Satoshi Nakamoto. The first Bitcoin transactions took place on January 12, 2009. If you're interested in using Bitcoins for your own financial transactions, you can buy them from an exchange or directly from other users through marketplaces called exchanges. As you might expect from something that has been around for so long, Bitcoin has changed quite a bit since it was introduced and continues to evolve even now. For example, in 2010, it became possible to send Bitcoins over email rather than only through direct transfers between wallets at specific addresses. This made using Bitcoins more convenient and accessible for both businesses and individuals, as well as easier for law enforcement agencies to track illegal activity involving digital currency exchanges. In 2013, there were two major updates. The first allowed multi-signature addresses, which require multiple signatures before coins are released. This made transactions safer by making it harder for hackers or malware writers. While Bitcoin is still the number one cryptocurrency, it has been losing the dominant position in recent years. While Bitcoin is still the number one cryptocurrency, it has been losing the dominant position in recent years. In 2017, when a new cryptocurrency called Ethereum was launched, it became the second most valuable cryptocurrency after Bitcoin. Ethereum uses blockchain technology to create smart contracts. In addition to being an alternative to fiat currencies like USD or Euro and gold, cryptocurrencies also have other uses such as investment, trading, mining. Many cryptocurrency investors have lost money in recent price decline. A cryptocurrency is a medium exchange in the form of digital currency. Cryptocurrencies are difficult to counterfeit because they use cryptography that is difficult to break. Cryptocurrencies are based on distributed ledger technologies, which enable each transaction to be recorded in a public ledger with its own internet connection. The first cryptocurrency was Japan-based Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2009 by an unknown person using the alias Satoshi Nakamoto. There is widespread disagreement about whether cryptocurrencies will become part of mainstream culture. Cryptocurrencies are still new, but they have the potential to become part of mainstream culture. There is widespread disagreement about whether cryptocurrencies will become part of mainstream culture. However, cryptocurrencies are not widely accepted as a form of payment yet because they're still relatively new and because most people don't understand how they work. Some businesses accept cryptocurrencies as payment, but many others do not. The future of cryptocurrency is uncertain. While cryptocurrency is still in its infancy, the future of this concept is uncertain. However, most experts believe that cryptocurrency will become a part of mainstream culture in the future. Some experts believe that cryptocurrency will not become a part of mainstream culture. The truth is that no one can predict exactly how things will turn out. The only thing we know for certain is that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin are here to stay and continue to evolve as they are used by more people around the world. Cryptocurrency is a medium exchange in the form of digital currency. Cryptocurrency is a medium exchange in the form of digital currency. It uses cryptography that is difficult to counterfeit, and each cryptocurrency transaction is recorded in a public ledger that has its own internet connection. This allows cryptocurrency users to keep track of their transactions while also protecting their privacy. Cryptocurrency can be transferred from one wallet to another using software called a cryptocurrency exchange. Cryptocurrency uses cryptography that is difficult to counterfeit. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new currency units. Cryptography is used to secure transactions, prevent double spending, and control the creation of new currency units. Each cryptocurrency transaction is recorded in a public ledger that has its own internet connection. The Bitcoin network is a peer-to-peer payment network that operates on a cryptographic protocol. Users send and receive Bitcoins, the units of currency, by broadcasting digitally signed messages to the network using Bitcoin cryptocurrency wallet software. Transactions are recorded into a distributed, replicated public database known as the blockchain, with consensus achieved by a proof-of-work system called mining. The design of the blockchain is based on cryptography so that it's possible for people to know whether or not money has been spent in an unauthorized manner. What is blockchain? The first cryptocurrency was Japan-based Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2009. The first cryptocurrency was Japan-based Bitcoin, which was introduced in 2009. Since then, many more cryptocurrencies have been created. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency, and it's still growing. People who create Bitcoins are called miners. They solve complicated math problems on their computers to get new Bitcoins. Because of its popularity, Bitcoin has become a worldwide phenomenon since it was designed by an anonymous person or a group of people under the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. The currency is decentralized, which means that there's no central bank or government controlling it, and it's not printed like regular money. Rather, it's produced digitally through a process called mining. Bitcoin is the most commonly used cryptocurrency and is used like cash for online transactions. Bitcoin is the most commonly used cryptocurrency and is used like cash for online transactions. The first Bitcoin was mined in 2009, and Bitcoins can be exchanged for other currencies or products. Bitcoins are not printed but rather created via a process called mining, which involves verifying transactions on the blockchain. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins that will be reached by 2140. This makes it an inflation-resistant currency. It also means that by owning one Bitcoin, you own 1/21 millionth of all the Bitcoins ever mined. So you have a unique piece of history. Bitcoin was created by an anonymous programmer or group of programmers under the name Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 with code derived from earlier versions of open-source software released by other developers. Ethereum became popular later because it is more flexible than Bitcoin and allows you to create your own applications. In order to understand how cryptocurrency works, it's best to first understand what a cryptocurrency is. Cryptocurrencies are forms of digital money that are created and managed by cryptography. Cryptography is used to secure the transactions and control the creation of new units of a particular cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency used to make purchases online. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency used to make purchases online. It can be used to trade for goods and services, or it can be purchased as a speculative investment. Cryptocurrencies are not issued by any central authority, but instead they're created through a process called mining. Cryptocurrencies use cryptography that is difficult to counterfeit, making them secure and reliable forms of payment online. Each transaction using cryptocurrency is recorded in a public ledger that has its own internet connection, which ensures that no one can tamper with the data contained therein. Conclusion: cryptocurrency is a digital currency used to make online purchases. It's safe, fast, and easy to use. There are many different types of cryptocurrencies out there that offer a wide array of benefits depending on your needs and preferences.